Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Kriti Tiwari. So let's start. Today I have got something very interesting for you, and we're gonna paint a flower, but then it's gonna be very quick, and then you can actually fill your whole entire page if you like doing so. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm gonna use red or my pink shades of the colors, okay, and I'm not telling you names because anything is fine, it's just upon you. Okay, so take any pink or red shades and yeah, good. Okay, so my red is actually scarlet and the pink that I'm using is caramine, um but you can choose the color of your choice. Okay, so what you have to do is take your brush with clean water, take your color, okay, and then do like drops of water. So what we are gonna do, drop of water, like this. Okay, and then I'm using my different kind of brush I'll use, and I will just extend it. Okay, so I'm just wetting my brush. I have picked up brush which is not so pointy and it's natural hair, so I'm just gonna drag it, and I'm gonna do this with every drop of color that we have put. Okay, see how simple it was to paint this flower. Okay, so let's try ahead. So let's try more. So again, drop of water, and because we are making 5 petals and this time I'm keeping drops a bit big. Okay, so drop of color here. Okay, and then I'm using my brush, the other brush, and just swiping across, and I'm holding the brush a bit closer because I want that control. So swiping across, and you can actually drag them in any shape of your choice you want, right? Yeah, that's it. Okay, so let's try a couple more. So we'll paint one here. Okay, so I'm taking clean water, spreading. See, I changed the shape, right? So it's up to you as in what shape you want. You can just be very creative with it. Okay, and in the center portion we're gonna put some yellows. So we're gonna put some yellows in the center. Okay, now let's go ahead and do a couple more and then we'll start adding the leaves. So this would be a very quick exercise and a lovely exercise. Okay, so we're gonna do the same. I have taken clean water and yeah, so U shapes or different kind of shape, right? And you can have some broken shapes also, so any shape that you want you can have. I'm just showing you example. So let's say this is broken that I'm making. Okay, see. Okay, so this flower, like it became different, and because we used a very different value for this one, this is altogether a different. You can add like something like this. Okay, so yeah, this is how you can make flowers very quickly. And for this one also I'm gonna add yellows in the center. Okay, and now we'll go ahead and add some leaves. Okay, so leaves are also very quick. You take your green color, okay, and then press, lift. Okay, again press, lift, press, lift. Okay, I'm gonna show you this with another brush. Pointy brush has a different impact and they look really nice with pointy brush. Okay, so I'm gonna add a leaf here. So press, lift, leave a gap. So I have just left a gap here. Okay, so pointy brush gives you more pointy and then thin strokes. I'll use this one because I like the shape that it is giving me. So again, we'll just create a leaf here. Press, lift, press, lift, press, lift, press, lift. Okay, see how nice it is, right? So we'll just take out stems like this. Press, lift, press, lift. Yes. It's up to you, you want to leave this gap or not. So have fun with how it works, right? And then just small one here. And I'm gonna just do one here, one here. And for both I have not like left the gap. Okay, and then here, so I'll have one here. Okay, see, it's fun, right? It's very fun, very much fun to fill your whole page with these flowers and leaves, and it looks pretty nice. How cute it is looking. And you can quickly convert this to any card as you like. See, right? And just connect them in some way. Yeah. Okay, see, this is looking very pretty. So yeah, that's it for this one. I just wanted to show you guys a very quick method of drawing flowers and the leaf. So this is pretty much it. If you would like, you can, instead of yellow, you can add some black to it and it's gonna give you a different feeling. No need to limit yourself with these shades of the color, right? You can always go ahead and then do blues, yellows, oranges, right, of your choice, and everything is gonna look good. Okay, now for the detailing, I have been doing it, but you can refrain yourself from doing the detailing. I have a very bad habit of overworking the artworks. You don't have to, so don't overwork the artworks, and you should know when to stop. So step back, look at your artwork, and if you feel right, yeah, that's the time that you should stop yourself and then stop overworking your artwork. So thank you so much guys and everyone for watching and supporting my channel. It really means a lot. So if you really like this one, give it a subscribe, like this, comment, and then I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.